Hello everybody, welcome to Python tutorial course. Today we're gonna learn what is Python. And Python is a high-level programming language with applications in numerous areas, including web applications, scripting, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. And it was created by Gudovan Rossam, and he named it after the Monty Python video or the movie. And Python is very popular and used by organizations such as Google, NASA, CIA, Disney, Reddit, and so many more. And also, Python has three versions: 1.x, 2x, 3x, but the most commonly used is the 2x and the 3x. 3x was released in 2008, and it's what is being used. And also, code written in Python 3x is guaranteed to work in all future versions. And also, that doesn't mean that version 2x is not in use. People are still using it, but you can still be able to move from 2x to 3x easily. And in this version you're gonna learn 3x. Also, Python uses elegant syntax, making the programs you write easy to read. That means it uses English words. And also, Python runs anywhere. That means it can be used in Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and many more. Also, Python doesn't cost anything, it's free. So let's get ready. And in the next course you're gonna learn how to install Python and how to configure it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.